Next example, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n plus 4n minus n square. Here given sum of first n terms. So what is the first term? What is the first two terms? What is the sum of the first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly find third, 10th and nth terms. So here given sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. So Sn equal to 4n minus n square. So what is the here sum of what is the sum of the first term? So S1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So here we take n equal to 1. 4 into 1, 4 minus 1 square, 1, which is equal to 3. This is the sum of the first term, is nothing but A. First term is 3. And next question, what is the sum of first two terms? So here we take n equal to 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2 is 8 minus 2 square 4, which is equal to 4. Sum of the first two terms equal to 4. This is nothing but A first term plus A plus D second term. Sum of the first term and second term. What is the value? 4. A plus A, 2A plus D equal to 4. We know the A value. A value is 3. 2 into 3 plus D equal to 4. 2 3 is 6 plus D equal to 4. So D equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2. D value is minus 2. So next question. What is the second term? So here we know A equal to 3 and D equal to minus 2. So we have to find second term. Second term means A2 A plus n 2 minus 1 D. So here A equal to 3 plus D value is 2. 3 minus 2 1. A2 equal to 1. Next find the third term A3. A plus 3 minus 1 2D. A value is 3. 2 into D value is minus 2. 3 plus 3 minus 2 into 2 4. A3 equal to minus 1. Next 10th term A plus 10 minus 1 9D. A equal to 3 plus 9 into D value is minus 2. 3 minus 18, which is equal to minus 16. Sorry, minus 15. And nth term an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A equal to 3, n minus 1 into D value is minus 2. It is equal to 3 plus n into minus 2 minus 2n minus into minus plus 1 into 2 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 5 minus 2n. This is the nth term. An equal to 5 minus 2n. Next question. show that a1 a2 dot 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 an dot dot form an AP where an is defined as below. Given two examples, an equal to 3 plus 4n and an equal to 9 minus 5n. So here we have to prove 3 plus 4n is in AP. So here we take n value is 1, 3 plus 4 into 1, a1 equal to 3 plus 4n, 3 plus 4, 7. Next second term a2, we take n value is 2, 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 to 8, 11. A value equal to n value equal to 3, 3 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 3, 15. So write AP 7, 11, 15. Difference 4, 15 minus 11, 4. So here difference is constant. So this is in AP. Next example, an equal to 9 minus 5n. So here we take n value is 1, 9 minus 5 into 1, 9 minus 5 into 1, 5 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4, a2, 9 minus 5 into 2, 9 minus 10 minus 1, a3, 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 5 into 3, 15, which is equal to minus 6. Write AP 4 minus 1 minus 6. So difference is minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus of minus 6 minus of minus 1, minus into minus plus. So minus 6 plus 1, this is equal to minus 5. So here difference is constant. So given series in AP.